But what that means is some of your apps that you used on your iPhone 4S or lower than that, or iPod Touch or whatever, are not going to fit the new iPhone 5. And the reason for that is because it has the bigger screen. So the apps that you were using were used to fitting a screen this size, and now it has to fit a screen of this size. So what they've done, now let me actually show you, I'll open up Chrome here for you. Now this isn't a good example because I'm on the iPhone 5 black model, so you can't see it as well. But there's actually a black letterbox bar right here at the bottom of the app, and then at the top of the app, and then the app is just like sitting right here in the middle of those. I'll actually show you on the white iPhone 5 to give you a little bit better example, because you'll be able to see it a little bit better on there. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Chrome. So you can actually see on here that there are the black bars at the top and bottom. So that's what you're going to get with a lot of apps right now, unfortunately. It's not really bad. It doesn't really bother me that much. I still use the app just the same, but it is kind of annoying that it doesn't fit the iPhone 5 screen, because you just bought it for that 5-inch screen and now most of the apps don't fit it. What you're going to have to do is just be patient. A lot of the apps will be updated. There's actually a whole section now if you go in the App Store. So here in the App Store right now, at the top they have a section called Great Games for the iPhone 5. You can tap right there and see all, and you can scroll through a list of games that actually fit the iPhone 5 screen. And that's not a lot right there. I mean, that's a good amount of apps, but considering how many apps are in the App Store, that's a lot of apps that don't fit the iPhone 5. Then you can also go back, and if you scroll down here, all of Apple's apps pretty much have been updated, like iMovie, iPhoto, GarageBand. You can download those for the new iPhone 5. Facebook and Twitter, they've been updated. You got some just regular apps here. I'll scroll through some of these. There's Facebook, CNN, Pinterest, Flipboard. That's a nice app. So you can see that there's a lot of apps been updated, but considering how many apps there are that you're probably going to want to use, most of them are not going to fit your iPhone 5 screen. So if you have the black iPhone, like I just showed you a minute ago, you can't really even tell. It just looks like that's the phone, like that's the screen right there. You can't tell that there's black letterbox bars. On the white iPhone, you can a little bit, because you can't really tell where you can tell where the screen stops and starts. Is it annoying? A little bit sometimes. Now I'll actually show you an app that does fit. Here's Temple Run fitting on the iPhone 5. So you see it is taking up the whole screen. You can see the edge of the screen here, 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 and it just looks a lot nicer. So hopefully soon developers will update all of their apps to fit the new iPhone 5 screen, to take advantage of that bigger 4-inch screen. But as of right now, that's what it's going to look like. So if